Our adventure begins in Athens, the capital of Greece and one of the oldest cities in the world. Towering over the city is the Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back over 2,500 years. The Acropolis is home to the Parthenon, an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, who is said to have been the protector of the city. Walking through this ancient site, you can almost feel the presence of the philosophers, statesmen, and artists who shaped Western culture. The Acropolis Museum, located nearby, offers a deeper insight into the treasures and history of the Acropolis. Be sure to explore the collection of ancient sculptures and artifacts that tell the stories of Greece's glorious past. Just beneath the Acropolis lies Plaka, the oldest neighborhood in Athens. Known as the neighborhood of the gods, Plaka's winding streets, vibrant shops, and traditional tavernas offer a glimpse into everyday Greek life. Here, you can savor traditional Greek coffee or enjoy a delicious plate of moussaka, a popular Greek dish made with layers of eggplant, potatoes, and minced meat topped with bechamel sauce. Plaka's charm is irresistible, making it the perfect place to experience the essence of Athens. Leaving the mainland behind, we head to the Greek islands, starting with Santorini, perhaps the most iconic of all. Known for its stunning sunsets, Santorini is a volcanic island that draws visitors from around the world. Oia, a picturesque village on the northern tip of the island, is famous for its breathtaking views and romantic atmosphere. As the sun sets over the caldera, the sky transforms into a canvas of brilliant colors. Beyond the beauty of its architecture, Santorini offers unique experiences like exploring ancient archaeological sites, hiking the caldera trails, and enjoying a swim at its black sand beaches. Don't forget to try local specialties like fava, a traditional dish made from split peas. Next on our island-hopping adventure is Mykonos, a glamorous island known for its lively nightlife, luxurious resorts, and stunning beaches. Mykonos is often called the Ibiza of Greece, attracting international celebrities and partygoers alike. During the day, relax at one of the many beautiful beaches, but when the sun sets, get ready for a night of fun and excitement. Mykonos isn't just about parties, it's also home to charming old towns with whitewashed buildings, narrow alleys, and the iconic windmills overlooking the sea. It's a perfect blend of history, culture, and modern-day luxury. Back on the mainland, we head to Delphi, once considered the center of the ancient world. According to mythology, Zeus sent two eagles flying across the earth, and they met at Delphi, marking it as the navel of the world. The Temple of Apollo, the centerpiece of Delphi, was once home to the Oracle, a priestess who would deliver prophecies that guided kings and leaders in making important decisions. Delphi's stunning setting, nestled in the mountains, adds to its mystique. Walking through the ruins, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, echoing the wisdom and stories of ancient Greece. Greek cuisine is a feast for the senses, blending fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and centuries of tradition. Whether you're dining in a family-run taverna or a high-end restaurant, you're sure to be treated to a culinary adventure. From grilled souvlaki skewers to refreshing tzatziki made from yogurt, cucumber, and garlic, every meal in Greece is an opportunity to explore the country's rich food heritage. Seafood lovers will enjoy freshly caught fish, while vegetarians can savor dishes like spanakopita, a spinach and feta pie wrapped in crispy phyllo pastry. No Greek meal is complete without a glass of local wine or ouzo, a traditional anise-flavored spirit. As the Greeks say, Kaliorexi. Enjoy your meal. Greece is a country that captivates the heart and soul. From its ancient ruins to its breathtaking islands, from its mouth-watering cuisine to the warmth of its people, Greece offers a journey through time and culture that is unmatched. Whether you come for the history, the food, the islands, or the sunshine, one thing is certain: Greece will leave an indelible mark on your soul, inviting you to return again and again. This is Greece, a land where myths come alive and history is ever present. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Greece. Until next time, Yia SAS. Goodbye and safe travels.